How to download Adobe Lightroom on PC for free. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. For this, simply open up your browser and search for Adobe Suite and then open it up. And this is where it will take you. Open up all the apps of Adobe, either search for Lightroom over here or just scroll down and you would be able to find Lightroom over here. Simply open it up in a new tab or just click on it and then open it up. Here you get this option of free trial. Simply click on it. There is one more way. I will let you know about that way as well after we check out the current way. So simply click on free trial and then just simply select the first one, as you just want the Adobe Lightroom. If you want the Photoshop as well, then you can go with the middle plan. And this is a 7-day free trial, and after that you can cancel it up. And you can also go with the student and the teachers one. It is absolutely cheap and you would not require any verification to get this one as well. So you can also go with this one, and make sure that you cancel up your subscription before 14 days, and otherwise you will be charged for this particular Lightroom. The other way to get it is by just simply searching for BlueStacks, and after that open up the first link and download it. This app basically helps you download all the Android applications on your PC or the Mac, and this way you would be able to download Lightroom from the Play Store or the App Store without any problem. So this is the second way. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.